Hello and welcome. I'm Raghav and today we are going to learn how to get started with Git. In other words, we will download, install Git and then add our project to Git and finally push to GitLab. So this is going to be very easy and very interesting, and if you have no prior knowledge on Git, do not worry, I am going to go very basic step by step and we'll start from scratch, and you can follow this on Windows or Mac operating system. So we are going to download, install Git, add a project or a folder to Git and commit and push the project to GitLab. So let's get started, and here step number one will be we have to download and install Git. So download and install Git on your system. So you can go to your system. I'm on Windows. I will also show you on Mac. So here I will just go to Git SCM, search for Git SCM on Google and you will get to this gitscm.com. Just go here and here you will find option to download Git. Now this detects your operating system. So I'm on Windows, it is showing me for Windows. If I'll go on Mac and just go to the same site and I'll go here gitscm.com. So here you can see it is giving me the option to download for Mac. So if you are on Windows, you can download for Windows, and if you're on Mac, you can download for Mac. So I will say download Git from this website and then install it. And all these notes will be available to you in the description or notes section of this video. So I will click on this download for Windows and this will start the download, and it is a exe file. I will go to my downloads folder and here is my exe file. I will just double click this to start the installer and say next. You can read all the license agreement and then say next. I will keep it on my default location, that is C program files git, say next, and then again you can keep all these default values, and here you can see all these options. So I'll just use as it is and say next. So here you can see if you want to use git and git bash, or you can use this, just keep the defaults and say next and next. And now I will click on install. This will install Git on my system. And the command to check, so this is step number 2, and in fact you can also check in the beginning if Git is already installed. So I will show you the command that you can use to check your Git installation. So this is check Git is installed on your system, and the command is git space hyphen hyphen version. This is hyphen hyphen version. So this is installed. Once Git is installed, you can go to your command line or go to git bash. So here let me see if I have a git bash. You can see I have got a git bash as well. I can go here, and if you run the command git space hyphen hyphen version, you can see I'm getting the version of Git. Now you can use Git from this git bash, or you can also use from your command line. So if I exit from here and I will go to my command line or command prompt, and here I will say git space hyphen hyphen version, and I'm getting the version of Git installed. Now in case you are on Mac, you can go to your terminal and just say the same command git space hyphen hyphen version. Now on my Mac, Git is already installed. If you are using Mac and you have not yet installed Git, you can just use the same procedure, or if you still need some help, you can go to my website, that is